Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to clone an object in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that there are two methods that we can clone an object in JavaScript. First one is the spread operator, second one is object.assign, right? So in the spread operator, what we are doing, first we are defining the object, right? And after that, using the spread operator, just three dots and the original object and console.log. If I go and just copy this and add anywhere in the console, okay, you can see that object name John and age exactly. Okay, we have copied this one, right? The clone, right? The next one that is called the object.assign. This will also do the cloning an object in JavaScript, the same, but the syntax is object.assign because we are assigning empty object then original object, right? I can also just copy and paste it over here. Okay, it's a redeclaration because already added. So let's run this. You can see that John and the age. So the methods are spread operator and object.assign. How to clone an object in JavaScript by these two methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.